Looks like he's gone for good this time. But I don't think we should stick around to see if he comes back. Closest town from here is Riverwood. My uncle's the blacksmith there. I'm sure he'd help you out.
You picked a bad time to get lost, friend.
Come on!
Greetings, Brother Elf. I'll show you what I know. All right, then.
Ain't every day. Hadvar? How do you know? I'd be glad to help a friend of Hadvar. But you'd... What? That explains what I saw earlier. A dragon. Here in Sky. The Jarl needs to know. We need to get word to Jarl Balgruuf in Whiterun to send whatever soldiers he can. If you'll do that for me, I'll be in your debt. Aye.
Oh, well. Must have run off.
Well, that's taken care of. No thanks to you. Certainly not. That's why I'm here, with my an order of... And we show up to solve problems, if... Not for me to say. The old man... If you go to him, good luck.
Halt! City's closed with the dragons about. Official business only. Riverwood's in danger too. You better go on in. You'll find the Jarl in Dragon's Reach, at the top of the hill.
We'll pay whatever it takes, but we must have more swords for the Imperial soldiers.
I know your family's honor is important to you, but we can't afford it.
Have ascended from this dung of mortality.
I spend a lot of time at the market stall so I can learn the merchant's trade.
What would you have me do then? Nothing?
My lord,
What's the
please.
meaning of this interruption?
There's no time for
Jarl
rash
Balgruuf
action.
is not
I just
receiving
think we need more
visitors.
information before we act. I just...
Who's this then?
Well, that explains why the guards let you in. Come on then. The Jarl will want to speak to you personally.
So, you were at Helgen. You saw this dragon with your own eyes? Really? But it's none of my concern who the Imperials want to execute, especially now. What I want to know is, what exactly by Ysmir Irileth was right? What do you say now, Proventus? Shall we continue to trust in the strength of our walls against the dragon?
My lord, we should send troops to Riverwood at once. It's in the most immediate danger. If
The
that
Jarl of
dragon is
Balgruuf
lurking in the
will view
mountains...
that as a provocation. He'll assume we're preparing to join Ulfric's side and attack him. We should
Enough!
not...
I'll not stand idly by while the dragon burns my hold and slaughters my people. Irileth, send a detachment to Riverwood at once.
Yes, my Jarl.
If you'll excuse me, I'll return
Well
to my
done.
duties.
You sought me out on your own initiative. You've done Whiterun a service, and I won't forget it. Here, take this as a small token of my esteem. There is another thing you could do for me. Suitable for someone of your... Come, let's go find Farengar, my court wizard. He's been looking in...